Welcome to the Daily Business and Finance Show. Cathie Wood capitalizes on Tesla's surge, selling $22 million in shares, while Apple explores a groundbreaking blood sugar app. The Nasdaq retreats after setting a new record, with the S&P ending its 6-week winning streak. Immunity Bio sees gains following a trial update, and United Health faces potential losses in Medicare payments due to federal scrutiny of home visits. Wall Street pauses its longest weekly win streak this year as big tech earnings loom. Delta takes legal action against CrowdStrike over July's major computer outage, and Google is reportedly developing AI to revolutionize internet browsing. Stay tuned after the short ad break to learn more about these stories and their implications. Cathie Wood, CEO of ARK Invest, sold over 85,000 Tesla shares after a 21.9% stock surge, netting $22 million. This was Tesla's best day since May 2013. The sales came from the ARK Innovation and ARK Autonomous Technology and Robotics Exchange-traded funds. Year-to-date, Tesla is up 7.5%, ARK Innovation is down 8.3%, and ARK Autonomous is up 9.3%.
Apple tested an app to assist prediabetes patients in managing their diet and lifestyle, potentially challenging Dexcom and Abbott. While not planning a launch, Apple intends to incorporate this technology into future health products, like a non-invasive glucose monitor. This development puts pressure on current continuous glucose monitor companies.
The Nasdaq Composite reached a new intraday high since July, closing up 0.56% at 18,518.61 points. The S&P 500 ended slightly down at 5,808.12 points, breaking a 6-week winning streak. The Dow dropped due to McDonald's E. coli concerns. Tech stocks rose ahead of major earnings reports next week from companies like Meta and Apple.
Immunity Bio's shares surged as the company started a Phase 1 trial for its CD19 tumor-homing activated natural killer cell therapy in South Africa. The QUILT 106 study targets non-Hodgkin lymphoma and aims to enroll 100 patients by early 2025, with results expected later that year.
United Health could lose billions if the government responds to a report accusing it of improperly collecting Medicare payments through questionable home visits. The Office of Inspector General found that United Health and Humana collected $7.5 billion in 2023 through health risk assessments without follow-up, leading to calls for stricter audits and restrictions.
This week, the S&P 500 fell 0.96%, ending a 6-week winning streak. The Dow Jones Industrial Average dropped 2.68%. Meanwhile, the Nasdaq Composite rose 0.16%. Key tech earnings are expected next week from Alphabet, Microsoft, and Apple. Materials led sector losses at negative 4.01%.
Delta Airlines is suing CrowdStrike in Georgia for negligence and breach of contract. This follows a July software update outage that caused 7,000 flight cancellations. Delta is seeking over $500 million for costs and damages. CrowdStrike apologized but pointed out issues with Delta's outdated IT systems.
Alphabet's Google is working on Project Jarvis, an AI technology to automate internet browsing tasks such as searches and shopping. Like Anthropic's recent announcement, Google aims for a December preview with its new Gemini language model. Plans might change, according to the information.
Thanks for tuning into the Daily Business and Finance Show. Stay informed, stay ahead. Catch us next time for more insights and updates in the business world. I'm Montgomery Jones.
And I'm Amalia Dupre. Until tomorrow, farewell.
This content is sourced from the Seeking Alpha website, so support our podcast by becoming a Seeking Alpha Premium subscriber. See the show notes page for links to sign up. This episode is produced by Classic Studios. This podcast provides information only and should not be construed as financial or business advice. Check out our other podcasts in our network at classicstudios.com.